like a bird. Look, if you can, to heaven. Oceans of whiteness, fires of blackness. I want to soar there, soar to heaven like a bird, like a downy bird, soaring higher and higher, soaring up to heaven. I want to be immortal as the sky, infinite as the air, but we can't have what we want, not always, not forever, not if we want to be always and forever. Your voice, heavenly, your eyes, godly, your breath, divine air, air bringing to ever life my living clay until no more days, only dreams, nightmares. Until that day, we will need to team as one, seethe as one. You are a ragged bird, a graceful bird, singing your imperfect song, now perched on a grey bough, but soon to soar, soar, soar into white seas, black flames.